guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shivangi Lahoti, aka Your Designer Didi, and in today's episode of Designer Didi Ke Bache, I have with you somebody really special and super adorable, and I cannot wait to get started on talking to her. Her name is Ishani Devnath. She's all of 18, first year student, foundation year student at NIFT Delhi Textile Design Department. She scored an All India rank of 95 in general category and also cracked NID with a 56 rank. So this is a story worth listening to, and of course she has been watching my videos for a really long time and gives credit to my channel. And yeah, I'm super pumped and excited to see how the channel helped her, and of course how she prepared for NIFT and NID, and how she got into the college of her dreams, and how has her first year in college been. So without wasting any time, let's quickly just dive into this video. And what you're seeing next is actually a Zoom call, which is a virtual call wherein we are sitting together. She's in Delhi and I am in Ahmedabad, and we are talking about NIFT and her life there. So let's get started. Hi, Ishani.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this podcast. So, Abhi, sorry about the glitch that happened earlier, but now you can talk to me. Now I'm listening.
I was saying that you are my idol, and I'm so glad that we are shooting a video today. I'm so happy. Thank you.
That is so sweet. I am so excited that you actually reached out to me. And the moment I saw your All India rank, and I was like, what? ये वीडियो हुआ है मेरे वीडियोस देख क्यों है ये क्या चल रहा है So tell me a little about yourself. Tell everybody what department are you from, what year, what college, what rank, and what are you doing right now?
Okay, so my name is Aishani Devnath. I am a student of NIFT Delhi, and the course I'm pursuing here is textile design. And I'm a first year student. Semester 2 got over yesterday. Yay, thankfully.
Awesome.
And so yes, that is it, and it is a dream college for everyone. It's for me too, and I'm so happy, so thankful to God, to everyone, to my parents, my family, your videos especially, who have supported me till here. Like, yeah, I'm so happy.
That's very sweet. Ashani, what was your All India rank when you got into NIFT? And getting into NIFT Delhi is really tough. It's one of the best colleges in India for design, and definitely number one when it comes to fashion. So, what was your All India rank like?
My All India rank was 95 general category, and common merit rank was 112.
Wow, that's incredible. So you were like in the top.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you so much.
So where are you originally from? Are you from Delhi itself? Or are you from some other place?
I am basically from Kolkata. I'm a typical Bengali girl. But in 2011, we got shifted to Delhi. So yeah, we are living here since 2011.
Oh, so that worked out brilliantly for you in that case. You were in the same city and you got into NIFT Delhi. Oh, wow. That must be really exciting for your parents as well, no?
Very true. Yes, absolutely. They were very happy that child is going to stay with us for the next 4 years. They were really happy.
Awesome. So tell me a little about college life. What are the things that you like doing in Delhi, in NIFT Delhi? What are what's an ideal day in your life like with college presentations and juries and work and submission? What's an ideal day for you?
Okay, so an ideal day in college would be I wake up and basically I live in Gurgaon. So Gurgaon is it's in Haryana, and then I travel 2 hours to my college every day.
Wow.
Yeah, it's so from Gurgaon to Delhi every day. So it's like 4 hours of travel to and fro. And then when I reach college, the classes start, and in the break time we all sit together with my friends in the canteen or maybe in the amphitheater. We have a lunch together. It's like very nice. The ambience is very positive in the college. Like
Yeah.
everybody is so supportive. Even the faculties are so supportive, so caring, that they actually, you don't feel that you have such a stress over assignments. It's like, yes, you have such interesting assignments. I mean, we get such interesting things to do. Like,
Yeah.
it comes from within, that passion to do, to explore new materials, to do new things.
So tell me something about the days when you were preparing for your NIFT entrance examinations. What are the things that you did? What are the, extra efforts that you made? कि आप क्या practice करा, क्या करा? Did you go to a coaching institute? Did you study at home? How was the whole process like?
Okay, so I will start from my 11th, 12th class. So I gave the 12th boards and the NIFT exam simultaneously.
Correct.
And by God's grace, I did well in both of them.
Correct.
And I was really on like cloud nine. Oh my God, I did both at the same time. I wasn't expecting. I scored recently in class 12th boards, and I got into NIF Delhi also. And
Correct.
then I was a science student, so I was juggling between physics, chemistry, bio, and then NIF
Wow.
का अलग सा syllabus. Yeah,
Right.
so I did take help from a coaching institute for those little maths tricks that help you solve faster, those little things which we have to keep in mind during the examination. Yeah, and then the situation test also. Like, when I was in that coaching, I got motivated seeing the other students as well so much,
Correct.
like their concepts, their ideas, the way they think. Like, how should we react when we get that question, and how should we start conceptualizing like something different from the rest, so that we get a good rank. Yeah, so coaching has helped me. And of course, all day I watched your videos, all day I surfed through the internet for GK and stuff. Yeah, I um mostly refer to the internet for GK. And then yeah, that happened अपने आप से ही होता गया.
Timetable, because science के बच्चों की आपकी अलग से भी coaching चलती थी? Did you have a separate coaching for your science as well? Were you also sitting for other competitive exams?
No, my target was NIFT only.
Okay.
And I appeared for NID also, and I got 56 rank in that.
Okay.
But then, my aim was NIFT only from my childhood. Like, from
Correct.
5th class only, I thought I want to get into NIFT Delhi. It's my dream college.
Correct.
And NID, तो it was like peer pressure में दे दिया. Everyone was giving NID, मैंने भी दे दी. And I don't know, by chance NID भी हो गया. But I did not go for NID. I went for NIF Delhi only, because I felt that this college will somehow support my dreams in a better manner. I don't know how, but I really had this inclination towards NIF.
Correct. And that's actually a rare case, because when a kid gets into NID, their first preference ideally is to run to NID, right? Because cracking NID is very, very tough. And you're somebody who's cracked both. So congratulations on that. And you've chosen NIFT over it, which is again an inspiration for other kids. Ki, if you have a specific dream in mind, you should be chasing only that dream. It doesn't matter, no matter how many other things come your way. जो चीज में आपको एक्चुअल इंटरेस्ट है या आपका हमेशा से सपना है, वो परस्यू करने में मजा ही कुछ और होता है. लिविंग दैट ड्रीम इज वेरी वेरी यूनिक. Awesome. So, did you have a routine? आप मुझे ये तो बताया आपने कि आप निफ्ट और एनआईडी दोनों के लिए बैठे, बट कोई आपका ऐसा सेट टाइम टेबल था, कोई रूटीन था कि आप इतने घंटे डिवोट करते थे निफ्ट के लिए, या आप कोचिंग जाते थे? तो was it a online coaching? Were you physically going? You said you were sitting with other kids.
I
And
was physically going for the classes.
correct,
Yeah,
correct.
but it was like I
How
did not
many?
go regularly. It was 2 days, weekends only, because rest of the weekdays I studied science only. I was too
Absolutely.
engrossed in physics and chemistry and all those.
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
so whenever I got, very bored from the science subject, I switched on quickly to the NIFT syllabus. Yeah, so I practiced drawing and I practiced all those even the maths. I practiced a lot of maths. I read a lot of GK. Whenever I used to get free time, I used to, just look for GK questions, because I feel that NIFT, in both NID and NIFT, GK really plays an important part. Like, even if you score less in other things, GK can lift it up.
Correct. So is that one
Hmm.
advice you would give to students who are sitting in the next
Yes.
GK पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा focus करें? Because that is one thing बच्चे बहुत हवा में ले लेते हैं कि
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
कॉपी करके कर देंगे, but now you have negative marking. So आपके टाइम पे तो negative marking नहीं थी. So now the kids can't really do that. So if you're told to maybe give an advice to kids, I see that you have no regrets for NIFT and you have no regrets absolutely for taking up NIFT Delhi. And it's a wonderful thing that you're actually getting to live with your parents. Being a single child, I'm sure it makes so much more, it puts them at ease ना कि बच्चा सामने दिख रहा है हर वक्त. So
हाँ.
you worked hard, you proved yourself, and you're here. So is
Thank you.
advice that you would have for the kids who are sitting for exams in the next coming years कि कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जिन पे ध्यान दो other than GK of course.
Other than GK, I feel the maths part is also very, very important. Like, knowing those little tricks which will help you solve it faster, and then you can, concentrate on the English part and the logical reasoning part. Yeah, so I feel everything plays an equally important role. Even the drawing part, like, whenever you get free time, just keep on sketching, doodling, and I generating different ideas. Like, search for questions online. Sample papers is a very important thing. Keep solving them, and yeah, just do your best, and then leave it to God. Everything will fall into place, I feel so.
Absolutely, and it has in your case. So you're talking from your personal life experience here, which is wonderful. But for example, if we talk about CAT, there's this one question which bothers students a lot कि ये हम emotions कैसे depict करें, हम grid कैसे solve करें, and I'm sure you would have also had those questions when you were preparing. So is there a trick maybe you will give the students for that, for example?
Okay, I feel colors convey a lot of emotions. So choosing the right color palette to depict that emotion into those grids, because we can't use anything else, and picking up those particular colors, like, for example, angry, red. So picking up shades and tones of red to depict anger will somehow, yeah, I was saying that picking up the correct colors will help you in better depiction of those emotions.
Correct. And these small tricks for maths that you were talking about, that for mathematics, you need to know those small tricks. Would you have any tricks for the future generation of kids कि ये चीज तो जरूर कर लो या वो अभी कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा?
नहीं, it actually happened. मुझे अभी बहुत कुछ ज्यादा याद नहीं है. एक साल हो चुके. नहीं भूले तो नहीं है बिल्कुल, but yeah, few important chapters like profit and loss, compound interest, simple interest, all those chapters, percentage chapter, yeah, like these chapters hold a lot of weightage in that maths part. So I practiced a lot of questions from these.
Okay.
So, and actually there were a lot of questions from these chapters.
Also probability, wouldn't you?
Yeah, correct. Probability also.
Correct. Awesome. So you have been enjoying your first year at college, and you have all these sound advices. You're like this young design woman in the making. I wish you all the very best for everything that lies ahead of you in the future. And I really look forward to seeing your designs somewhere, on some stores or some fashion shows someplace. But before we end this video, where do you see yourself after graduating from NIFT? What's that immediate goal that you have? कि college के बाद ये करना है.
Okay, for now, I have planned कि college के बाद I want to pursue masters in design.
Okay.
So maybe that I would want from NID,
Okay.
Ahmedabad. I would
Correct.
prefer,
Correct.
and then I will look for the opportunities that come in my way.
Correct.
Yeah, and immediately after graduating from NIFT, I really don't want to go for jobs right now, because even my parents are suggesting like, ek saath just study everything and then you will
Correct.
get better opportunities. And I feel somewhere they are right. Like when
Absolutely.
you are doing everything at a planned manner, it actually makes everything better.
Correct. And it also gives you, you're also in the flow of education.
Exactly.
So
Yes,
4 years
yes.
of college, then if you take a gap for 2, 3 years, and getting back to education again becomes a little difficult. I wouldn't say it's impossible, but just a little difficult. But then again, if you're going for certain masters require you to have like work experience, otherwise they don't take you. So in that case, to have a work ex. But of course, for NID, that's not a criteria. If NID is your aim, and I'm sure, hopefully you're going to crack that as well, because you've had your vision very clear, and that's worked with you, in regards to this. सो एनआईडी में भी डेफिनेटली हो ही जाएगा, तो शायद 4 साल बाद मैं आपको अहमदाबाद में मिलूंगी फिर.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Absolutely, so pleased to have spoken to you. Thank you for reaching out, and thank you for being such a friendly and happy and bubbly person, and sharing everything that you had to share. If there's anything you want to say, now is your chance.
Okay, I want to say thank you for inspiring so many of us. Like you have actually shown us the path, how to, tread that path in the manner you are doing right now. Like I really look forward to you. I really look up to you. Me, my friends, my peers, everyone. Like really, thank you so much.
That's very sweet. Thank you so much, darling. And
And I wish you all the way more success.
थैंक यू सो मच, दैट्स वेरी काइंड. मैं कह रही थी बच्चों के लिए कुछ बता दो, अगर आपको कुछ कहना है. आपने तो मेरी पढ़ाइयाँ कर ली. ये तो मैं बड़ी ऑकवर्ड हूँ, कोई बढ़ाया करता है तो मैं लेफ्ट राइट देखती हूँ, तो थैंक यू सो
बच्चों
मच.
के लिए
मतलब
हम
आपके बराबर
आई
वाले
नो.
बच्चों के लिए अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहो, क्योंकि आप सब मेरे लिए तो बच्चे ही हो. यू ऑल ऑफ यू आर लाइक माय किड्स टू मी, so I call all of you as my bachas only. But if you want to help your peers or your juniors will be coming in the next few years, अगर कुछ भी एक last sound advice है तो कहो.
Yeah, I was saying that is the reason everyone is so closely tied up to you, because you're so warm-hearted and you like treat us like your bachas only. Like everyone's like, let's go to D for the advice. Like go to person for
मैं
such
अभी
career
stop it, मैं जा
advice.
रही हूँ यहाँ से. I'm gonna go.
So
You guys also know that I cry very quickly. Okay, I'm very emotional, so don't do that to me.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'll stop.
Yeah.
ये बातें दिल से निकल रही है.
I,
इतने ऐसा मौका मिला, ऐसा golden opportunity to film a video with you. So निकल गई बस flow में.
I just wish you all the best, sweetie, and please give my regards to your parents. They've really raised you right. It's
Thank you.
to see how focused and determined you've always been in life, and how happy and how positively you're taking life. आपको faculties भी पसंद है, आपको department भी पसंद है, आपको college भी पसंद है, आपको दोस्त भी पसंद है, आपको सब पसंद है. And it's just it's such a happy vibe, it's such a happy vibe. And I think that's what kids on my channel come for, to see the positives of studying design, to be motivated. So thank you for doing this video with me.
Thank you for like giving me this opportunity to do this video with you.
Absolutely had to, no second thoughts about it. And as usual, I'm always just a DM away for all of you guys, or a comment away. So stay in touch, and thank you so
Yes, sure.
much.
Thank you. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much.
I love you too, Bacha. It was lovely speaking with you. Bye.